we'll guide you through how to use Google Docs Pageless Mode. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs on your desktop and go to the document where you want to enable Pageless Mode. Once you're in the document, look at the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Page Setup. A dialog box will open, and you'll see two tabs at the top, Pages and Pageless. Click on the Pageless tab. This mode removes the traditional page breaks, giving you a single, continuous scrolling document, which is great for documents that contain large tables or wide images, as it allows you to see more content without page breaks. After selecting Pageless, you can adjust the background color or even set a default for all new documents if you'd like. This can be handy if you frequently need the pageless format. Once you've set your preferences, click OK to apply the changes. Your document will now be in Pageless mode, allowing you to enjoy a more flexible and modern document layout. You can always switch back to the traditional page view by going back to Page Setup and selecting Pages. This mode is perfect for drafting content without the constraints of standard page sizes. Remember, while in Pageless mode, you won't see headers, footers, or page numbers, so keep that in mind if you're preparing a document for printing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.